Welcome back to Rare Oakleys X Metals, forged at 3,600 degrees using a 450,000 watt generator and explosive compounds, creating virtually indestructible frames. Well, today we got another custom OCP, that's Oakley custom program for those of you not familiar with that. Got another pair of OCP X Metal Juliets, and these are going to be in carbon with gold iridium. But we're going to check these out. Before we do, make sure you guys like, subscribe, hit that bell icon so that you never miss a future episode of Rare Oakleys. As I always tell you guys, make sure you check out our other videos. We have a ton of fantastic content, and I'm going to tell you what, I would submit to you that many of our best videos, many of our greatest works are some of our least viewed. Some of them, and I know you're here for the Oakley content, that's fantastic, but you know what? Some of our non-Oakley content is pretty awesome too. So check out our other videos and check out my book. If you haven't read this yet, what are you waiting for? Second best book ever written. This will motivate you, it will educate you, it will inspire you. It's a great and fun and entertaining read. Links are going to be below in the description, and let me tell you something, even if you hate reading, I promise you will love this book. We've got a tremendous amount of positive feedback on this, so do not miss out on that. But let's check out these X Metals. I'm excited. I hope you're excited. Come on in, camera lady. We've got our O custom box. And yeah, back in the day, before the discontinuation of the Juliets and the X Metal line in general, Oakley did offer customized Juliets with a variety of different configurations and frame and lens options. But at one point, they even, look at that, they put the sticker on the box there too. Come on in so we can see this. The O Custom Juliet sticker, and they discontinued that sticker after a short period of time as well. But let's open these up, and of course you got your warranty registration paperwork, which is pretty standard, nothing too significant in there. But I'm excited for these because these are cool. O Custom bag, right, matching the box, and again, carbon with gold iridium. Not the flashiest color combination, but I picked these up specifically because, well, I think we had almost every other color combo out there, so you had to get the few that you didn't have, right? So between the frames, the X Metal, the polish, the carbon, come on in, let's check these out. So gold iridium, and I guess these should have been gold polarized. Now, I can't remember what unobtainium is on here, but you know what? Now that I'm looking at it in the light, I believe we actually have root beer unobtainium to match the gold iridium lenses, but let's give this a little extra light here to see if we can tell what the unobtainium is. Or, you know what? I'm going to hold it up to the light. Yep, it is root beer unobtainium. I wasn't sure if this was black or root beer, but it is root beer unobtainium. Very subtle. I'm going to try to hold this up to the light to show you guys. Let's see if we can capture that there. Ah, you can see it there. You can see that the temple shocks there are a little bit translucent. So those are root beer. And honestly, you know what's crazy? I was digging through one of the towers the other day and found these in a box. And I said, wow, I forgot I even had, didn't even remember that I had these. And the hinges, these have never been worn, never been tried on. These hinges are tight. I mean, they are factory fresh tight. But we'll give you guys a quick close-up of these. Again, some of my, one of the pairs that I forgot about. X Metals are always going to be classic. Subtle color combination, but pretty good overall. Pretty cool color combo, even though it's not the flashiest. But hopefully you guys will have a chance to pick up some customized Juliets. They're getting more and more rare as time goes on. Expensive, yeah, they're expensive, but definitely worth it. Definitely a pair that's worth picking up, especially if you don't have any Juliets yet. But let us know what you guys think in the comments below. As always, thank you for watching, liking, commenting, subscribing. Do not forget to hit that bell icon. And we will see you next time on Rare Oakleys.